Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into something super exciting, a kids room makeover. Whether you are a parent looking for inspiration or a kid wanting to spruce up your space, this video is for you. So let's get started. First thing first, take a good look at your current space. Is it lacking color, fun, personality? Don't worry, we have got you covered. Now let's go shopping. Look for bright colors, fun patterns, and themes that your child loves. Whether it's superheroes, princesses, animals, or outer space, there is something out there for everyone. Time to get creative. Start by painting the walls a fresh new color or adding fun wallpaper for an instant transformation. Then add some wall decors or posters to bring the theme to life. Next up, let's talk furniture. Keep it practical and functional, but don't forget to add some personality too. Colorful rug, cozy bean bag chairs, and theme bedding can really tie the room together. Finally, let's talk organization. A tidy room is a happy room. Invest in some cute storage bins, shelves, and baskets to keep toys, books, and clothes organized and easily accessible. And there you have it, folks. A kids' room makeover that's sure to impress. Remember, it's all about creating a space that reflects your child's personality and interests. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips and tricks.